Introducing the Power XL Grill Air Fryer Combo, the incredible grill, air fryer and 12-in-1 space-saving multi-cooker. We combine the best of our air fryer and the best of our smokeless grill and created a convenient space-saving quick-cooking multi-cooker that gives you 12 different one-touch easy ways to make mouth-watering meals in minutes. Air fry, slow cook, steam, saute, grill, bake, roast, make rice, simmer, sous vide, fry and keep warm. We all love going out and enjoying restaurant quality food, and the Power XL Grill Air Fryer Combo brings the restaurant to your table. The Power XL Grill Air Fryer Combo is an air fryer and grill, plus it slow cooks, makes rice, white rice, brown rice, wild rice, even quinoa. The secret is the amazing Power XL 1500 watt dual therm technology. It cooks from above with a vortex whirlwind of superheated air, up to 200 degrees. Plus it cooks from below with a powerful high temp element that can sear, simmer and more. With one-touch ease, you can make delicious southern fried chicken with virtually no oil and totally no guilt. With just one touch, you can grill a thick, juicy steak with gorgeous grill marks, or slow cook mouth-watering fall-off-the-bone ribs from below, then air fry from above to finish. One touch and you're steaming a delicious seafood platter. The massive 6-litre capacity makes it easy to pour, serve and even store. It replaces 12 different appliances all in one high-capacity, space-saving unit that clears your kitchen clutter, and cleanup is a breeze. Order your Power XL Air Fryer Grill Combo 12-in-1 multi-cooker today.